Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it could be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
Choosing a profitable niche. Welcome to the next video in this little mini series I have about affiliate marketing. There are many different ways to make money online, but in this video today, we will be focusing on one particular idea to create the best online business for you. There are many ways to make money online on the internet as possible, but there aren't a great deal of tried and true methods that can work for different people. The method that we're going to focus on today is creating a website in a small but profitable niche. Now understand this right now. Choosing a profitable niche is hard. It's really hard. So please focus today. Don't skip ahead in this video, all right? Don't do any of that because, what happens if you miss a step while you're going down the stairs? Well, you tumble down and break all your bones. Well, we don't want that to happen, so please pay attention and don't skip ahead, all right? So this method, like I said, we will focus on today is creating a website in a small but profitable niche. What all businesses comes down to is finding and maintaining a strong and solid customer base that can constantly make them money. This is true no matter what type of business this is, internet or retail. The only way that a company makes money is by attracting a solid base of customers and then building off of that. If you're able to build a solid base of highly responsive customers, you will have the opportunity to basically, print your own money. The very first key in creating the best online business is to identify a specific niche that you can work in. Now this, like I said, is tough and can be very tricky, but you must make sure that it has a few characteristics. First of all, you will want the subject to be something that you have an interest and have quite possibly some expertise or experience in. To truly create a website that people will want to keep visiting, you will have to have a great deal of information and different ways to keep them interested. You will most likely need to be researching these topics quite a bit, so a strong interest within the field will help you. So, I was lucky to find a great site for you to visit and get some important information, and that site is called bloggerpassion.com/most profitable niches list. Don't worry, I put the link in the description. So anyways, let's check out this site. All right. So obviously this is a blog, right? This website will help you generate ideas on what different areas are underserved, I guess you can say, or that are very profitable. So let's get into it. In here, we have the 13 niches list that makes a ton of money in 2021. This is a brand new updated blog. These are Make Money Online. Haha, number 1. That's what I'm in. Finance, travel, fitness, personal development, relationships, lifestyle. Number 8, real estate, which is kind of interesting, especially in today's economy. Number 9, we have gadgets and technology, food, entertainment, pets, and gaming. So, those are the most profitable niches that really make money. So, here is all of the different things that you could do. Now, there are sub niches, okay? For making money online would be YouTube marketing. Hey, that's what I'm in. Online jobs, blogging tips, affiliate marketing tips. That's what I do. That's what this is. Passive income. All right. And it goes into a whole bunch of different information about, all of these different blogging courses and things of that nature. Buyer beware with all of this sort of stuff because it is not guaranteed income that, you take this 10-day blogging course and all of a sudden you become a millionaire overnight. Sorry, it doesn't work that way. You really have to work at it to gain an audience, and that audience needs to know, like, and trust you before they even buy anything. All right. So the next one is finances. So what are the sub niches for finance? Well, you have personal finance, investing, cryptocurrency, stocks, foreign exchange or Forex. Those are very, very competitive markets. The next one, in travel, there are sub niches for it too, such as budget travel, luxury travel, safety, solo safety, travel flight deals, and coupons. All right, so there's sub niches for fitness as well, such as weight loss, nutrition, yoga, and hair loss. Those are some of the sub niches, and I'm sure there are more than that. And personal development, so self-development, self-improvement, personality improvement, getting rid of fear of rejection problems, etc. And so there's some ideas on this on how you can really help develop some niches. And here's another one for relationship. You have dating advice, advice on dealing with breakups, divorce related. And if you have a psychology degree, this would be perfect for you. So here's lifestyle, same type of idea. You have sub niches here: fashion, lifestyle advice, beauty tips. I would also throw in social interaction would be a interesting niche to get into. And of course, real estate. What are the sub niches for real estate? Well, foreign real estate, investment properties, relocation, commercial properties. So gadgets and technology. What are the sub niches for that? Well, Jesus, sky's the limit on that. Seems like every single day something new pops up. So get on it. Gadgets, phone reviews, Apple gadgets, computer programming, computer software, etc., operating systems, and the list goes on. That one is huge for different sub niches. Same with food. Look at all of these. You get the idea. So check out this blog. It's pretty cool, and it can really jog your mind of what interests you and some things that you can get into. So it basically helps you generate ideas on what different areas are underserved. So I really wish this site was around when I first started out. Boy, it can really help you. So that was some great information. But here's the rest. Look, to be honest, you want your website to be built around those keywords so that internet searches bring up your website among the first page of results. That's called search engine optimization. And it seems like it's a moving target. So if you could stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to give this to you for free. This bit of information that I just gave you now can cost a lot of people a lot of money, especially to do like freelance websites like Fiverr and other different types of sites like that. That can cost a lot of money in the long run. And hey, the good news is that I just saved you $5, right? For not using Fiverr. Okay, by doing this, you can start gaining traffic to your website by constantly, well, more like staying consistent by creating YouTube videos or blog content, for example. You want to do this on a daily basis as much as you can, especially in the first few months. And basically what you are doing, the object of this idea is to develop a repeat client base, which you can begin selling to as long as you dedicate yourself to some sort of production schedule that can work around you. So once you're done developing the website or blog site or even a YouTube channel, for instance, you need to sell some sort of product, because you're not going to make money, for instance, on a YouTube channel, you're not going to make a whole lot of money doing ad revenue. Sorry, it's just not going to work out the first few months and you're going to get discouraged. So why not put some sort of affiliate link in your description? For example, I have a bunch down below. Check them out. All right. So again, once you're done developing the site or channel, you need these products to sell. And this is called affiliate marketing. It's not necessarily something that you have to come up with, the product, for instance. But if you go to clickbank.com or Digistore24, you'll find many different products that you can probably sell within your particular niche. Or check out this video of mine, the next one, about becoming an affiliate and learn how to do it as a promoter of products. You will get a share of the profits, and the system is automated. So you just have to guide people over to that particular website, for instance on ClickBank, and everything else is taken care of for you. If you decide and look into developing a newsletter, blog, or video, then you can promote a product at the end of the content like I do, or I just put it down in the description, which could bring you in a great deal of money. This is where you can make some really good money. So hopefully this video on creating the best online business will help you out. If you want to succeed, try this idea, but keep testing, as it takes a great time and effort to become strong and profitable site, no matter if it's a blog, a newsletter, or a YouTube video such as this. So that's it for today's lesson. Please like, comment, and share this video with everyone you know and on social media. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get push notifications every single time I put up a new video. Thanks for watching. See ya, and go make money now.